I've never ever been accused of being a crook or dishonest.
Ay, kunzima guys, quite rough. Like this case is something else. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me on my channel. My name is Primrose, and if it's your first time, you are welcome. And if you're returning, Sabi, thank you so much for the continued support. Guys, tempers fled. Like they fled in the Senzo Meyiwa trial today, this afternoon. Judge Ratha, guys. Like he was like fuming today. He fired a salvo at defense advocate Mshololo, telling her he was no crook and that he had experience in the field of law. Mokhatleng is the presiding officer in the second Meyiwa murder trial, which started in July last year after the first presiding officer, Judge Shefiwa Maumela, fell ill, forcing the trial to start from scratch. What happened between the judge and Mshololo is that after she stood up to raise an objection regarding how State Advocate Ronnie Sibanda was cross-examining accused number 1, Sibanda, who's currently on the witness stand during the trial, within a trial, which is being held to determine the admissibility of Sibiya's confession statement, which was made after his arrest in May 2020. Mshololo told Mokhatleng that it was unfair for him to let Sibanda continue interrogating Sibiya about a warning statement that he had no knowledge of. That is when, that was just before lunch, Mokhatleng took a brief moment and addressed Mshololo on her comments. And this is what the judge had to say. He said, Ms. Mshololo, this is what I'm going to say to you. I've been on the bench for 20 years. I've practiced as an attorney for 30 years. I've never been accused of being a crook or being dishonest. And then Mokhatleng also told Mshololo that he was trained by the most reputable legal professionals, including the late human rights lawyer, George Bezos. He said, they taught me to be honest in this profession. I'm just telling you who I am. Guys, today, if you don't have it, you are going to be nothing. That is when poor Mshololo tried to defend herself and said, my lord, I'm also an advocate. And then the judge said, please don't answer me, please. And then Mshololo came and said, I'm also defending the accused. I'm raising an objection on the basis of fairness. I have a right to stand up and raise that objection. We all have different experiences. And guys, the juice is just in the videos. Like the juice is in the videos, guys. Because, the expression, the everything, I just love this woman, Mshololo. I love her so much, guys. The reason why sometimes I'm not doing this case, I'm not just giving you videos, is because, hey guys, now I see this judge just stepping out. Honestly, I see this judge stepping out, and this case will have to restart all over again. So yeah, guys, Sibiya also claims that he was assaulted by police officers who forced him to sign a written confession statement implicating him in the October 2014 murder of the Bafana captain and goalkeeper. So Sibiya has been on the stand since Monday. The state has continued to poke holes in Sibiya's testimony, deferred from the evidence which was led by his legal representative, Advocate Tulani Mgomezulu. And then when asked why his evidence doesn't match that of his lawyer, Sibiya said Mgomezulu might have misinterpreted him. Guys, now I'm officially Mshololo's team. Like, seriously, I just love how strong this woman is. I just love how tough she is. Like, she really gave the judge a hard time as well. Because this judge, guys, now, like, ever since this case started, I've always been seeing him crushing the defense team. Like, as if, at first, a lot of people used to comment on that as well. And I used to think that maybe it was just some kind of strategy. But I've since realized that this man just doesn't like this defense team. I really don't know, honestly. Most of the time, he responds to them like as if they're children. Like as if they're not adults. I don't know what kind of this man is like, he rules with an iron fist. I don't even want to shiver when I think of how he could be like at home. Because someone like this, they carry it everywhere they go. Like honestly, I really like how Mshololo really stood up for herself. And you can actually see that she doesn't like Mshololo, which is so sad. You wonder why. Why is he challenged by her? Why is he now offloading all the files about his experience and everything? Mshololo will get there as well, isn't it? Yeah, by the time he reaches his age, she'll also be in that position. Maybe she'll be a judge one day. And imagine, guys, the judge even said, like, to Mshololo, imagine. And all the things that he was accusing Mshololo of, Mshololo didn't do them, guys. I still remember how everything started, even the time that he was saying Mshololo was like telling the people understand something. And then Mshololo was like, I've got witnesses here. They can even tell. They can tell you. So you wonder, why is this man like this, guys? And I just loved how Mshololo responded. The way she was saying it, it was like as if she's saying, I don't care. I'm also trained. Like, I'm also an attorney. Like, yeah, she'll also get there. We all get there at our own, at God's first time, right? Now, all I want, guys, is just a repeat of this again tomorrow. I wish this drama could just come back again tomorrow, you know? Tomorrow I'm not missing anything, guys. Today I kept coming, watching, and disappearing again, going to, I had things to do in the garden, you know? But tomorrow I'm not missing anything because I don't want to hear from people. Like, it's not okay. Mshololo was on fire, guys. She was on fire. She was like, not today, judge. Today, I'm not going to give you that chance at all. But anyway, guys, like I said, the juice is on the videos, guys, because I may try to really and explain to you how everything unfolded, but the juice is in the videos. Let me just let you, go ahead and check out these videos, and please let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.
My Lord, I object.
Hello?
My Lord, I object on the basis of fairness, that the witness cannot be referred to the statement that was made by the arresting officer.
Which statement must he be referred to?
The statement that has just been read into the
Yeah,
record.
which, yeah, I hear you.
It was made by the
Arresting officer.
Arresting officer, not in front of this witness. He has no knowledge of the statement.
No, fine. I never said he has knowledge of whatever. I just said, where is the arresting statement, Mr. Sebande? Hello, just stand up. You told this court that there is an arresting statement. Hello?
Yes, because he requested for it.
I'm not involved in wanting somebody to go to jail. Now, after that, Mr. Sibia says, no, if you can show me that arresting statement, if you can show it to me. Then I said, where is it? Apparently he had given it to the lady there. Took time to get it. After he gets it, I say, apparently this is what they say is the arresting statement. And then I read it into the record. That's all I did.
My Lord,
and you say it's unfair.
My Lord, with due respect, my Lord, I understand what the Lordship is...
Don't accuse me of being a crook.
No, my Lord, I'm not...
No, just listen to me. You must never. I've been 50 years in the profession. I've never been accused of being a crook.
My Lord, I'm not accusing this
What
court.
are you accusing me of?
But, my Lord, I am asking this court to listen to this. The accused, when he said, unless if I can be showed a statement wherein I was arrested on that day. Then my question is, my Lord, the statement that has been presented, my Lord, to the accused, is not the statement that was made by the accused. It was made by the arresting office.
Nobody said the accused made an arresting statement. He's not a policeman. What are you saying?
As the court please.
Oh, it's long since man. Just wait, Mr. Just sit down. This witness never said he made an arresting statement. Don't misconstrue Izintolap, please. Ms. Mshololo, this is what I'm going to say to you. I've been on the bench for 20 years. I've practiced as an attorney for 30 years. I've never ever been accused of being a crook or dishonest. I was trained by, amongst others, Charles Casson, Mohammed, Bezos. They taught me to be honest in this profession.
My Lord,
No, I'm just telling you who I am.
My Lord, I'm also an advocate.
Yeah, fine.
I'm also
Please don't answer me,
representing-
please.
I'm also defending the accused.
Yeah,
I
fine.
raise an objection on the basis of fairness. I have a right also
You-
to stand up
Fine.
and raise that objection.
Fine, you have.
We all have different experiences.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Okay, we come back at 2.